Hi everyone, it's Tereese. Oh my gosh, I haven't done a video in a while, so just bear with me. I hope everybody is staying safe at this unprecedented times. It's just been crazy. Here in Virginia, we're still um, on lockdown, I guess, or we're still going out minimal going out, only if you have to. I'm just, oh my gosh, my computer has been weird. Okay, so I wanted to come on real quick to share my Mother's Day cards, and I used Call Me Crafty Owl. Um, I I don't know her real name. I've watched her. I've been a subscriber to hers for a while, and I was kind of desperate for Mother's Day cards, and I was going to do something with these embossing. This is a cut emboss from Spellbinders, and I was testing it, and I didn't like it. So I wanted something quick and easy that I can do a lot of, and you get to if you I think it was May, I think May 1st, she had done a video, and there were a lot of other people doing them as well. Um, and if you follow her, you really need to, because these cards, um, she'll tell you what you need, um, and she'll even give you the measurements to each piece of the card, which was fantastic. And I thought it was quick and easy. And this is what I created. Um, I used Graphic 45 Botanical Tea paper, and then the card base is Michael's has 110-pound craft cardstock, so I bought a pack. It was so funny. It was on sale during this pandemic, and I picked it up at the curb, and I wanted white. Well, I wanted all the colors, and I found out that they had craft, and I only got the craft because all the white was sold out. But it was an interesting experience nonetheless. But um, I printed this sentiment out. I didn't have any Mother's Day stamps, which is bizarre to me because I feel like or even like a Mother's Day die. But anyway, I went on the computer and I typed this up. I die cut it with my, I think it's a diamond dies, where it had like 29 circle dies in it. This is a Spellbinders scallop circle die. This is a Stampin' Up. Oh, I have it right here. Believe it's a Stampin' Up. It's an oldie. I think this is retired. I think this type of punch is retired, but I love these whale punches because they're easy to punch. Anyway, and then I added some pearls. I distressed the edges to the card and to the scallop circle on the circle. And this is my Mother's Day cards. And here's all my 12 cards that I made with the paper. You only use 2 sheets of pattern paper, which is awesome. And three, 8.5 by 11 cardstock. And I like this, or her version, because she gives you the measurements. Now, I can't imagine, I think Operation, um, oh my gosh, those card kits, that I got online a long time ago. They were good, but not all the time they give you measurements and stuff, and you had to figure that out on your own and everything. This is like actually done for you. All you have to do is just follow, glue it, and you're done. So, thank you, Crafty. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, call me Crafty Owl. Oh my gosh. I'll have her link down below, everyone. I'll put all her hashtags. I think I have to put hashtag uh I don't know, what does that say? Susme 2020 and show us your sheet load. So I was going to say something else, but anyway, yeah, so those are my cards for Mother's Day this year. I really love it, and I want to thank everybody for watching. I know I haven't been on. Maybe I'll get a few viewers because I haven't been on. But if you followed me from a long time, thank you so much for continuing on watching my videos, even though they have been far and few. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you hopefully in my next video. Thanks guys.